We can only describe the Eldredge Knot as a work of art. This baby requires precision, patience, and extreme focus, like a Japanese samurai. But don't give up just yet, comrade. What if I told you you can't achieve your black belt unless you master this knot? Yeah, that's right. It's time to get your kung fu on, kid. All right, let's begin your training. Place the tie around your neck with the wide end positioned exactly where you want it to finish. Cross the skinny end over the top of the wide end to create a cross. Wrap the skinny end behind the wide end and pull it towards your right. Pull it up through the neck loop and pass it down to your right side. Transfer the skinny end behind the knot towards your left. Cross it over the knot towards your right. Pull it up through the neck loop from underneath. Pass it down to your left side. Cross it behind the knot and pull towards your right. Push it through the loop you've created in the knot towards your left. Fold it up through the neck loop and pass it down your left side. Fold it up through the neck loop and pass it down to your right side. Push it through the loop you've created in the knot towards your left. The Eldredge Knot was invented in 2007 by a cool guy named Jeffrey Eldredge. It involves 13 separate steps, and if you happen to conquer it, you, sir, are a man of true mastery and a gentleman of good taste. Tuck the skinny end behind the neck loop on the left side and fold down your collar. You are looking smooth and mighty skillful over there, my friend. It's time to head out that door because you're probably late for work now. If your boss gets angry, just tell them you know Kung Fu. For our full range of ties, check out oldtie.com. Now, smash that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.